Welcome to the Zoie. This move-in ready home is available now in our gated neighborhood at Copper River Ranch and features 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, and a 3-car garage with an 18-foot driveway. Plus, this home has gorgeous modern farmhouse elements that you're gonna love. Let's go take a look. As you step through these double doors, you'll walk into this open concept living space that features a large great room, the perfect dining area that has a 12-foot sliding glass door allowing for tons of natural light. Plus, you have an under staircase storage closet and a bedroom and full bathroom. And to top it off, you have this amazing gourmet kitchen. This gourmet kitchen features an oversized kitchen island with upgraded quartz countertops, perfect for entertaining. Plus, you also have two-tone kitchen cabinets, gray and white, and you have an upgraded subway tile backsplash and stainless steel appliances that include a dishwasher, a 5-burner gas cooktop, a microwave, and an oven. Plus, you have a massive walk-in pantry, perfect for extra storage space. As we make our way upstairs, you'll find a spacious linen closet that steps away from the spacious master bedroom. This master bathroom features quartz countertops, bright white cabinets, a tiled-in tub, and this gorgeous oversized step-in shower with a seat. Plus, this home even includes one of Granville's signature features. This incredible walk-in closet with tons of shelving is connected right to this spacious laundry room with additional cabinets above, down below, and even a sink. Just off the laundry room, you have an additional full bathroom, and at the top of the staircase, you have this spacious loft, perfect for an extra entertainment space. Plus, it's even connected to 2 large bedrooms. This stunning modern farmhouse Zoie is available now in our gated neighborhood at Copper River Ranch and includes 4 bedrooms plus a loft, 3.5 bathrooms, and a 3-car garage. Plus, it's just steps away from the gorgeous community park. This home includes some amazing designer features and upgrades and even sits on a pool-sized lot. Contact our Copper River Ranch sales office for more information. Ah! Tell the wind to stop! It's winding! Get it? Okay, ready?